So hello guys, welcome to our part 2 of our Python recording. So let's get started. So in this session, the topics to be covered are operators in Python, more on variables. In this video, we will just cover two topics in which one is very big and one is normal. So our operator in Python. Then the operators in Python is one topic in which inside we have 5 topics. They are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, and unary operators. So let's get started. So what is arithmetic operators? The addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are some arithmetic operator. Example, we have two variables here, y is equal to 3 and s is equal to 4. So s plus y, s minus y, s divided by y, s into y are some arithmetic operators. So our next topic comes about assignment operators. So if we assign any value is known as an assignment operator. Example, y is equal to 3. So here because of is equal to we have a assignment operator. Y is equal to x is an assignment operator. Now the next topic comes about relational operators. Now what is relational operators? To compare two numbers. To compare two numbers is an relational operator. Yeah, like here y is smaller than 3, 2 is smaller than 5 are some relational operators. Then our next topics come about logical operator. Now to understand the concept of and, or, and not is called as logical operator. So this is our table for and, or, and not. Now this table is called as a truth table. This table. So now we will practice about it. So I will draw one truth table here. X, Y, C. So here I have three conditions, 1 and 0, 0 and 0, and 1 and 1. So now first we will study about AND operator. Now if there are two conditions and both are true, it is an AND operator, means 1 and 1 are AND operators. See, 1 is a truth, 0 is false. So it is and. Then now our next topic comes about OR. If from two conditions, one condition is correct, it is an OR. Means 1 and 0 is an OR condition. Now a third condition is not. If from two conditions no one is correct, it is an not operator. Now our next topic comes about unary operator. So we all know unary means 1. So to get a negative form of a number is called as a unary operator. Like here n is equal to 7. Now if this 7 is to be converted into minus 7 is unary operator. Like n is equal to minus n. So now the condition of 7 would be converted to minus 7. So that's about unary operators. And our topic of operators in Python have been completed. So now our next topic comes about more on variable. But before that, we will practice these operators. So for it, I will open my IDLE. So yeah. And now I will make two variables. Y is equal to 4 and S x is equal to 9. Yeah. So if I say y is smaller than x, so it comes true. Means it is OR. Then if I make for false, not 9 is smaller than, sorry, x is smaller than 5. Okay, so now x. Okay, so it shows that x is not defined. So now if I type x is equal, oh, so I have pressed my capital key. So if I now type y is now x, so it proves as true. So now x, then y. So it shows that false, means it is a not condition. Now if I make two variables, y is equal to 9, x is equal to y. So now if check of value is 9 and for the value of x is also 9. So now I will write y is bigger than x. So it shows false because both are same. So this is about our AND operator. So that's enough for operators in Python. of logical operator. So our next topics come about unary operators. So n is equal to 9. I make a variable. And if I want minus 9, n is equal to minus n and press enter and press n, it was minus 9. Now we have practiced unary operator also. So that's enough for unary operators. Now our next operators comes about so now we will practice some assignment operators. Now what is assignment? We all know it. So if I type y is equal to, just I will refresh my IDLE. Yeah. So now if I type here y is equal to 3. So now this is equal to symbol is an assignment operator. So now we will study about arithmetic operators. And what is arithmetic operator? We all know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now I will make s also a variable with value 5. So if I type y minus s, no, s minus y. Press enter, it shows 2. So we have done subtraction, and now if y plus s and press enter, so we got value 8. Now we have done addition also, and now s multiplication by y, so it shows 15. And now if I do s divide by y, so it shows syntax error. So now I will see that s divided by y. So we got 1.6.666. So it is our assignment operators. Now we have talked about assignment operator, logical operator, unary operator, assignment operator. And if we have left any, okay, yeah, relational operators. To compare two numbers is called as relational operator, and we have just practiced on it, and or and not. To use the bigger and smaller number is called as relational operator. So before we get on our next topics more on variable, just if you need to get a help with Python, we can do like when we open IDLE. For this, we need a new shell, open it, and now if I type help and close the bracket and press enter. So now I got this, and here I will type topics and press enter. So we got some topics to get some notes of it. So now like I need topic of list, and we have studied list before. So now I will type list, press enter, then sneeze check 141, and here we will get the nodes of list. Yeah. So this is for help, but you have to study like from videos also. That is also important to study. So our next topics come about more on variable. We have talked about variables. So why another next topic about it? In this video, we will talk about the address we use for our variable. So in our RAM, we made a container. So we will have a specific address for it, which is this. Like if I make a variable num and value of it is 5. Just a minute. And value of it is 5. So now I want the address of it. So I will type id, then curly brackets and num, because that is our variable. After it, we will get an address. So just try it in our ideally. So now here I will make a num as a variable and value in it 5. You can make any value, that's your wish. And now if I type id, then curly brackets and in it num. Close the bracket and press enter. You can see we got a address. Means this is about more on variable. So in this session and previous session, what we have learned, just try it in by yours. And if you have any doubt, let me know in our session. And let me know in the comment section if you like our series or not. So for that, bye-bye.